Hi, I'm Alex from Stream and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the single pleated fly screen. This particular style of screen is extremely useful if you have a very high door, as we have here, or a particularly wide door, because this leaf can reach up to 3 meters in width. The profile is aluminium and extremely narrow, only 22 millimeters front to back, and the screen can be reveal fitted, as we have here, to the recess, or it can be face fitted to the door frame itself. The track at the bottom is only 4 millimeters deep and adheres to the floor, and that's extremely useful to prevent any trip hazard. As the name suggests, the mesh is pleated and simply concertinas to the side when the screen is open. The screen runs on a string system that runs through the mesh, and that allows you to leave the screen at any position within the door opening. When you do want to close the screen, there is a magnetic strip that runs down the side of the handlebar, and that meets with an opposing strip in the closing channel. The mesh itself will give you excellent visibility through it and also a good airflow. There is more information on the product page of the website, but if your questions aren't answered there, please don't hesitate to get in touch.